Cash App has just dropped this vending machine that they're calling the Angel Machine. This is currently located in Chicago, West Fulton Street and North Sangamon Street. If you remember Snapchat back in the day, they had a vending machine where you could buy spectacles. It definitely reminds me of that. I wanted to find out what's actually inside this thing though. Turns out technically there's nothing inside of it, but it is a giveaway machine that will give you certain prizes. And this little sparkle with a basketball here, kind of a teaser or a hint. So we need to come to the Cash App Angel Machine giveaway official rules. No purchase necessary. Basically, you're just gonna scan your Cash App or do whatever the prompt on the machine says. Eligibility is for the residents of the US, District of Columbia. You can read all of that if you want. Giveaway period is basically today. Only today from noon until about 7 p.m. So a 7-hour period in Chicago. To enter, activate the digital wheel within the Cash App branded green box at this location, which is in the Fulton Market in Chicago. Your pressing of the button will automatically activate a digital prize wheel through which you can win a prize. Limit 1 giveaway entry per entrant. Prize winners will be chosen at random. If you are chosen as a winner, you will receive a receipt with information on how to redeem your prize, and the prize will be sent to the address that you provide. If potential winner fails to follow the redemption instructions on the receipt or fails to provide a valid address or other required information, the prize will be forfeited in sponsor's sole discretion. Sponsor may require the winner to sign and return an affidavit of eligibility and liability and publicity release whenever lawful. If the winner fails to sign, they may be disqualified. What are the prizes? So basically it's random. You go up to this machine, you spin a wheel, and you see if you win. 40 people will win an Angel Reese's trading card. But what is that? So I searched it, Angel Reese's trading card. Angel Reese appears to be a basketball player in the WNBA. This is what she looks like. American basketball player, WNBA. So this is kind of a collaboration or partnership with her. 40 people will win an LSU jersey, which is one of her college jerseys, I believe. 50 people will win a gift card to her website. 35 people will win a pair of Reebok shoes. 43 people will win an exclusive collector's basketball. 10 people will win a plastic tiara. 20 people will win a t-shirt. 5 people will win a PlayStation 5. That might be the best one. 2 people will win a designer purse from her collection. So that could be one of the most expensive prizes. And 3 people will win a pair of designer sunglasses from her collection. So these ones down here are probably the best. The trading cards, I'm not sure like which trading card you get, but that could be valuable as well. Approximate retail value of all of the prizes is about $18,000 to $19,000. So there you have it. That's what the Cash App vending machine is all about, aka the Cash App Angel Machine. Pretty cool concept. I'm excited to see more of these drops and releases from Cash App. It's pretty cool. Nobody's doing this type of stuff nowadays, so love to see it. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.